Hi, so in this video, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use this PHeT simulation. So when you first open the URL, you should see this. So you're just going to click play for pH scale basics. Okay, and then you should see this screen. So just a couple different features. Over here, this is like your water faucet. So if you pull this out or in, you can open or close, adding water to your beaker. The dropper in the center is going to tell you what kind of liquid you're adding. So right above that, there's a drop down menu. So for example, we could put battery acid in. All right, then we could fill our beaker. Let's fill it halfway. We'll do half a liter of battery acid. All right, and then stop. And if you wanted to add some water to dilute it, we could add some water as well. All right, so you can use those two things to add liquid to your beaker. And then when you want to test the pH, over here is your pH meter. So you're going to add this to the beaker, and then notice it gives you the pH. So battery acid, as the name implies, is very acidic with a very low pH of 1.31. Right? If we wanted to remove some, we could let some out that way, and then we could maybe add more water in. Right now, the pH has gone up just slightly. So you can play around with all of those parameters. If you want to completely change your substance, this orange reset button will start you from scratch. So now let's pick, I don't know about drain cleaner. Okay, so we'll add drain cleaner and we'll do the same thing. So we'll add about half a liter and then we'll do the pH. And now pH is up at 13. So drain cleaner is very basic. So notice this gives you the pH scale. So 7 is neutral right in the middle. Anything lower than 7 is acidic, and you get more acidic as you go down. And then anything above 7 is basic, and it's more basic the higher you get. So 14 is very basic. 1 is very acidic. All right, I hope that makes sense and you know a little bit about how to operate the simulation, and you will need to use this to answer the next few questions on your slides.